Welcome back to the show, everybody. We got a really good one for you today. Top 5 reasons XRP could hit $1 soon. Yeah, it's very real. And we got the confirmation for Gary Gensler coming just one day away. I don't know that those things are mutually exclusive. Let's go ahead and jump into this. Let's roll that beautiful intro.
This is Digital Perspectives with Brad Kimes. Subscribe for new content notifications. Now, here's Brad Kimes. Come on in.
Welcome back to the show. You guys can follow me on Twitter at BackupBradleyAbove at the top of the screen and everything that we're talking about here today. Right now, we're ringing in at about 43 cents, 0.4348 for XRP, 43 cents. We are up 4.32% right now in the 24-hour. We have been ranging between 39 cents and 43 cents. The range has been 0.3971 to 0.4353, which we're very close to the top of that range right now. Now, let's go ahead and get into this. If you haven't seen the video from this morning that I've done, please watch it. Some excellent information in there about Gary Gensler, his thoughts on XRP, and why I believe Ripple had taken certain actions to decouple from the XRP ledger. Please check that out. And we know we will be watching the confirmation and covering that tomorrow. There's no doubt about it. We will definitely follow up with any kind of news that we get from that, and hopefully it's a confirmation. Remember, Gary Gensler does think that XRP is an unregistered security or a non-compliant security. So at the end of the day, I believe that clarity will start to take us where we need to go. And could we see some of the push in price in the anticipation of Gary Gensler's confirmation? Because however it goes, whether they call it a security or not a security, I don't believe that they classify it in such a way that it harms the intended use, the full-scale intended use of the asset XRP. Now, will it change how buyers and holders and investors and retail investors can buy, hold, sell, and trade it? Well, maybe so. That it remains to be seen. But at the end of the day, I don't believe they harm it. We will be watching for this hearing tomorrow. So, okay, let's get into this price, because there have been several people now writing articles that say there is a possibility that we see XRP price surge within a matter of hours. XRP price surges, will it flip the previous resistance into support, is the major question. And we're going to look at quite a few things here, so stay with me. XRP price trends within a decisive phase. It says here in this article from cryptonews.net, XRP price since the latest pump appears to have lost track as the trend showcases no bullish momentum. However, the current price chart suggests a significant breakout may be fast approaching in the coming hours. The XRP bulls are all set to pump the price to cross the strong resistance levels at 47 cents, which is a crucial hurdle as per analysts to top aim stocks. So there's one aspect of this as right there to see. We're going to get into this article, top 5 reasons XRP could hit $1 this year, in just 1 second. So as per the analyst, the current gain momentum suggests a pretty decent recovery, which might assist to uphold from a 3-week-old support level around 39 cents. Also, the 4-hour XRP chart suggests a probable V-shaped recovery, which may rally the price close to its lost levels. On the other hand, an analytics platform Whale Alert, which records some big and interesting transactions, put out a tweet. According to the tweet, nearly 500 million XRP worth nearly $206 million has been unlocked from the Ripple escrow wallet. Therefore, as a result, the price may experience a pullback yet another time. As it goes on to say, the price experienced a steep dip during the previous day trading, where the price plunged from 45 to 38 cents, which we covered in the range. Now, let's go to this next article with top 5 reasons XRP could hit $1 this year. It says here, Ripple platform that aims to provide seamless, hassle-free, and low-cost cross-border payments has recorded its growth on many blockchain entities. The native token of Ripple, XRP, is also expected to have a bull run with price possible touching $1. And let me just sidebar this with, if XRP hits $1, I remember what happened the last time it hit $1. If you think you've seen FOMO, you ain't seen nothing. So at the press time, XRP was 59 cents USD with a 24-hour trading volume at 10 billion plus, and XRP is up 12.9 in the last 24 hours. The current coin market cap ranking is number 7 with the live market cap at $27 billion, right? So here we see below are some of the appealing reasons why XRP could attain $1. Ripple featured in fast-growing company list behind one of the largest cryptocurrencies, has been featured in a list of Inc. 500 or 5,000 and fastest growing companies in America. And I think it's Inc. 5,000. Yeah. Okay. So fastest growing companies in America among various other companies. Ripple was ranked 123rd in the list. There you go. Ripple recently had also featured in CNBC top 50 most disruptor companies that recognize Ripple as blockchain remittance provider. And I think that's key to understand that remittance provider, payment solution, payments network, decentralized XRP ledger, which may be deemed a security itself, right? We'll see. Such pragmatic insights about the company enhance the trust among investors as Ripple is the parent company of the third largest crypto asset XRP, which slipped to the number 7 spot. Ripple confirms Bank of America as RippleNet client. Ripple has confirmed its cooperation with Bank of America by updating its website. The payment solution company has revealed Bank of America as one of its main clients in the RippleNet, along with Banco Santander, Standard Chartered, Neum, SCB, MoneyNet, among others. During annual Swell conference hosted by Ripple, which took place online this year due to the pandemic-driven lockdown, BOA demonstrated the use of Ripple's X-Current product. Earlier still, in 2019, the bank filed a patent to register a blockchain product called Ripple. Also, on-demand liquidity, or formerly known as XRapid, is a payment service used by Ripple for faster, cost-effective cross-border payments, as XRP acts as a bridge between two fiat currencies, eliminating the need for Nostro accounts. Ripple's on-demand liquidity has recently received a massive demand, and that was due to really the pandemic and companies' needs to solve problems, as well as just regular customers wanting to send money cross-border and to save on that transaction. Now, with that being said, we do know that MoneyGram has had to stop working with Ripple. The contract is still intact and the partnership is still well intact with Ripple, but MoneyGram has said that they've had to stop working with Ripple until this case is resolved. Now, that is huge damages, I believe MoneyGram has, that they could go after the SEC for, depending how this shakes out. But nevertheless, that's another reason I believe this case will be settled sooner rather than later, because of these things, the fallout of these things, and the dereliction of duty of the SEC. All right. Now, it says here, in fact, ODL has grown in its volume 11 times year on year. Moreover, it has also accounted more than $2 billion in transactions since its launch. In addition, there are over 24 of customers on board with ODL using XRP. Some of these customers include MoneyGram, GoLance, Via Americas, FlashFX, Azimo, etc. Ripple recently revealed its ODL plans for India, but also demanded to be provided with the clarity and regulations. These developments and demands in the ODL solution with XRP as an underlying asset could be driving force for XRP's big move. You better believe it. And getting the clarity here in the United States, as well as in India too, I think is really going to be a game changer. And it will be something, I believe, once it's here, we won't have to revisit that particular situation. RippleNet has witnessed a substantial increase of volume, said Brad Garlinghouse, CEO of Ripple, recently shared the stats of RippleNet on Twitter, which we have covered here on this channel. And he adds that the company has processed more than 2 billion transactions on RippleNet. Moreover, the transactions were processed in a short span of fewer than 3 years. However, ODL payment services using XRP have contributed more than 20% in the volume of RippleNet. Yes. Long story short, Ripple's expansion has added to the surge of XRP price, and the recent analysis suggests that XRP at $1 could be possible in the near future. Well, it doesn't stop there, because we also saw this from Crypto Bull last week, right? And he's been on top of some stuff here. So here he had shared, and we covered it here on the channel. Shout out to Crypto Bull 2020. IHNS forming on the one-day chart, possibly breaking out on March 1st with a target of $1.25 by March 3rd. It's March 1st, ladies and gentlemen. And today's the day to watch this price call or price prediction, because as indicators go on a technical analysis chart, they're showing us what the charts leaning heavily on what the strong percentages say that we're going to break out to the upside. Does that guarantee it? No, it does not. But we are supposed to watch these moments to pay attention what happens to our investment or not. One thing I wanted to show, along with all of the price predictions here for a breakout in the next several hours over the next couple days, I wanted to show this at the bottom. This is something a lot of people don't pay attention to, and this is really one of the biggest key factors that you need to pay attention to, and that's buy and sell pressure. You see the red bars are sell pressure, and the green bars are buying side, right? So how much buying we got, volume we got coming in. So if you look at this, everything is really low. Look at how low we are today comparatively to what we have seen in these giant spikes on the chart. Here you can see there was a huge spike sell-off right here, and you can see that volume is represented with a huge sell-off, right? Here, you can see the buy side was strong, and it helped drive that run up in price right there. And again, here you can see the buy on that side before the sell-off directly after. Here is interesting because we saw consistently not strong peaks of buying volume, but steady buying volume over days, which helped to push the price over several days or a few days here to that particular price. Now that to me is something to really pay attention to. And again, here we are with this buy volume and sell volume very, very low, really leaving the room for us to find out, like they are saying in the next few hours, will it be the sellers that win? Is it the bears that win or the bulls that come in and win? It'll be interesting to see. It's not uncommon to see before the anticipation of something like a confirmation, let's say, of Gary Gensler, that we may see whether that is a favorable or an unfavorable decision that's going to happen amongst the buyers and sellers based on where we're going with his confirmation. I think everyone fully understands whether or not Gary Gensler thinks XRP is a security, at least in the past. He's so casual about the fact that he believes XRP is in fact a non-compliant security that it's not even funny. Right? I mean, so the trick will be is if he has not changed his position or his stance, what in fact will he say about this case? Will he say this case is just a mess and want to get away from it from the SEC and get a solution and get a settlement very quickly? Or will he press on and feel so strongly about it that this needs to go to a jury trial and possibly even a higher court? You know, the jury's still out on that one, pun intended. But I'm here all week. But the reality is that we are in a crucial moment, and this is a crucial window on the verge and the precipice of getting this confirmation of Gary Gensler. And what will buyers and sellers think of it today? That's what we really need to know. That's going to do it for me. Head on a swivel, folks. This is Crypto You Never Know. XRP could be at $1 a lot faster than any of us even think. I'll catch all of you in the next one. Make sure you check out all the links in the description box and the comment section. They are trusted, vetted links. I'll catch you on the next one.